Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about a transformer, its working principle, and types in a very simple way. What is transformer? A transformer is an electrical device used to increase or decrease voltage in an AC circuit. Main parts. A transformer has three main parts: primary winding, secondary winding, magnetic core. Working principle. A transformer works on electromagnetic induction. 1, 2 is equal to 1, 2 V. 1 V. 2 is equal to N. 1 N. 2. When AC current flows through the primary winding, it creates a magnetic field. This magnetic field passes through the core and induces voltage in the secondary winding. Types of transformer. Step-up transformer increases voltage. Step-down transformer decreases voltage. Applications. Transformers are used in power transmission, charging devices, industries, homes. Conclusion. So, a transformer is a very important device in electrical systems that helps in safe and efficient power distribution. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more electrical videos.